loves, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to create this glam fall eye look. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to this channel. You can give me a thumbs up. You can ring the notification bell. You can also follow me on social media, Instagram and Twitter. That's everything. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this lovely eye, then just keep watching. For today, we are going to be working with a Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered. Gorgeous. I was able to nab this palette on Sephora's Labor Day Sale. I think it was half off or more than half off. Anyway, a really good deal. I have tried Huda Beauty's formula before. I have one of her smaller Obsessions palettes. I think there's like 9 pans in there. It's gorgeous. Comes with this really pretty insert. But yeah, look at these shades. They are super beautiful, really nice reflective shades in there, and some really good mattes. I was thinking of doing kind of like a burgundy gold situation, something for fall, just, you know, fairly easy to do, but we could just be using one palette. So why not the rose gold palette? All right, so let's move you guys in just a little bit. I did put lotion on my face, which kind of makes it red, but this eye over here has just been kind of like red and irritated. It hasn't really been like peeling or anything. It's just red. So I don't know what to tell you. You guys are just gonna have to deal with it. I did already prime my lids. I'm using the Urban Decay primer potion. I actually just picked up a travel size in this, and it's pretty good. It comes with a like doe foot applicator, but I was just kind of wanting to try it out. It's not like super pigmented or anything like that, but it provides that sticky base that you need to keep those shadows looking vibrant and, you know, give them good longevity and all of that. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into just this neutral shade here called Demure. And I'll try to put everything up on the screen that I'm using so that you guys can follow right along with me. Just placing this all over the lid. We don't have to be too perfect with it. And I'm going to go in with a smaller, kind of more concentrated brush. And I'm going to go into this deeper, maybe not yet. Let's go into this kind of medium pink tone. It's called Risque. And I'm just gonna pack it right in these corners here. And I'm not gonna go in the center, but I'm also gonna be packing it right on this inner corner as well. Like I always say, eyeshadow pretty much just looks crazy and not good until like the last few seconds when it all comes together. And honestly, once you put on like liner and mascara and all that kind of stuff, I feel like it comes together. But until then, yeah, you just look like a Looney Tune. And you think like, why am I doing this to myself? This looks horrendous. So this type of eye would be called a spotlight because you're leaving the center area blank, so to speak, putting darker shades on the outer edges, and then in the center usually using like a light color or metallic color or like something to just really give that pop. So now I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into this darkish red shade here called Maneater. And again, just kind of pack it right on top of that other shade. Same in the corner. You want to create a story with these looks. You want to use these layers and just build it up. Keep on a building. Okay, so then what I'm wanting in that center is just like a really pretty kind of orangish gold shade. So I think I'm gonna take just kind of a cleaner blending brush, dip into a little bit of this shade Sandalwood, just kind of like a light brown, and just kind of pack that on. I need an even smaller blending brush if I can find one. This'll work. And for the most part, this brush is clean. And I'm just gonna kind of blend these lines together. Okay, now the fun part. We are gonna take, let's see here. Let's do the shade Trust Fund. Oh man. Look at that. Holy moly. I don't even have to have it be in focus for you to see how freaking shiny that is. And I'm just going to press that in to that center area. It's a very creamy color, like it feels very creamy. I'm going to also dip into the shade 24 Karat, which again, I mean, holy crap. There's so much reflection in these shades, and just gonna layer that on top. So pretty. Cool. So then we're going to take that smaller blending brush that I was using and just going to kind of feather out those edges. You just want to make sure everything is going good. I wanted to kind of keep this video a little bit shorter like I have been, just because I know that sometimes we don't have a lot of time to be watching, you know, 20-minute videos or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete the other eye and put on the rest of my face makeup, and then I will be back with final thoughts. All right, beautiful people, I am back. I have the rest of my face on here. As you can see, I did the other eye. As fun as that would have been to just walk around with one eye, I decided I would do the other one. The rest of my face, I'll link everything down below. If you saw my video before this, I did a whole face using Essence products, and I was kind of on the fence about the the foundation that I use there, but I've been using it the last couple days and I really do like it. It's called the Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. It's like a tinted moisturizer plus. So you're not getting a lot of coverage really, but it just feels really good on the skin, really comfortable and hydrating and that kind of thing. And I didn't notice that it like melts off my face super early. So yeah, really good. My thoughts on the Huda Beauty palette, I really like it. I really like the color scheme in here. I think it's perfect for like fall, winter, holidays, that kind of thing. I mean, you could even really do like Valentine's Day too. Oh my gosh. Look at this gorgeous pink shade right here. Pink diamond. Love that. But yeah, just gorgeous golds and neutrals. I really like the mattes. They're pretty easy to blend. I didn't find that they were really difficult to use or anything. I think with the metallics, probably the best thing that you can do is really just apply those with your fingers. A lot of times you lose a lot of that sheen if you just go in with a brush. So usually it's your best bet with the glitters and the shimmers and the metallics and all that, just to go in with your finger, because that way you can really kind of control things a little bit easier and really pat those on, as opposed to just fluffing them on and then you got glitter all over your face and it's a whole party. We don't want that. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you give it a like if you did enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.